What if everything you thought you knew about Samsung's Ultra cameras suddenly changed? Because right now, one of the most reliable insiders in the industry, Ice Universe, is hinting at something that sounds almost impossible for a flagship in 2027. Fewer cameras, but somehow more power. The Galaxy S27 Ultra isn't just getting a small tweak, it's shaping up to be a complete rethink of how Samsung builds its most premium phone. And the first thing you'd notice, the camera island itself. It may no longer sit where you expect. The design is rumored to shift, cleaner, more intentional, and not just for aesthetics, but to make room for something much bigger happening inside. Now here's where it gets controversial. For years, Samsung's Ultra lineup has relied on a quad-camera setup, including that familiar 3x telephoto lens. Reliable, versatile, predictable. But with the S27 Ultra, that 3x lens might be gone. Completely. At first, that sounds like a downgrade. Fewer cameras usually means less flexibility, right? But Samsung might be betting on something smarter instead of just stacking more hardware. The 200-megapixel main sensor, already one of the most powerful in the industry, is expected to take on a much bigger role. And not just for standard shots. The idea is simple but bold. Use that massive sensor to crop in digitally while still maintaining flagship-level detail, potentially all the way up to around 5x zoom. Think about that for a second. Instead of switching lenses at 3x, the phone would stay on the main sensor, delivering sharper, more consistent images without the usual quality drop you sometimes notice between lenses. Then, beyond that range, the periscope zoom would kick in like before. So instead of 4 cameras doing separate jobs, Samsung could be building a system where fewer lenses do more. But why remove the 3x lens? This is where things get really interesting. The internal space freed up by removing that camera might be used for something we've been waiting on for years: full Qi 2 magnetic support. That means a built-in magnetic ring inside the phone, enabling snap-on accessories, better wireless charging alignment, and a whole ecosystem similar to what MagSafe brought to iPhones. And that would explain the design. The camera layout isn't just moving for looks, it could be making room for a completely new way to use your phone. And yet, that might not be a downgrade. Look at phones like the Vivo X series Ultra models. They've proven that with the right sensors and processing, 3 cameras can outperform setups with more hardware. It's not about quantity anymore, it's about how intelligently that hardware is used. So Samsung could be simplifying the system while making it more powerful. A cleaner design, a smarter camera system, and possibly a magnetic future built right into the phone. If this all turns out to be true, the Galaxy S27 Ultra won't just look different, it'll feel like Samsung is finally rewriting the rules of what an Ultra phone is supposed to be. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.